We knew this was going to be a pretty tough restoration, but obviously it wasn't a complete bike to begin with, so we fully intended on buying quite a few pieces. If you stay along for the whole journey, we'll do like a price sheet at the end to see how much it is and see if I should have just bought a new bike or not, but we'll see. First of all, I want to clean up one of these. Pretty rough inside. See what we're working with in there once we get some of that rust off, and polish these up and see if we can do something with these.